The term give in the context of a tattoo machine refers to the flexibility or amount of bounce the needle has when it makes contact with the skin. It's a crucial concept for tattoo artists as it directly affects the machine's behavior and the overall experience and outcome of the tattoo. In tattoo machines, especially coil and rotary types, give is the mechanism or feature that allows the needle to retract or give way slightly when it hits the skin's resistance. This movement is either a built-in feature of the machine or adjustable in more advanced models. The primary purpose of give is to mimic the natural flex of a manual needle, providing a more intuitive and responsive tattooing experience. It helps in controlling the depth and trauma of the needle's penetration, reduces skin damage, and allows for more nuance, lining, and shading. Machines with more give are generally gentler on the skin. They reduce the risk of overworking an area, leading to less trauma, swelling, and faster healing. Give can be particularly beneficial for shading, as it allows for a softer deposition of ink. For lining, a firmer setup might be preferred for crisp, clean lines. Give provides artists with a tactile feedback similar to drawing on paper. It allows for subtle adjustments in pressure and depth, giving artists more control over their work. Traditionally, coil machines have a natural give due to the nature of their construction and the flexibility of the springs. The armature bar and the front spring work together to create a buffering effect. Many modern rotary machines come with adjustable give settings. This is often achieved through various mechanisms like adjustable cams, give knobs, or rubber bands that control the needle's movement. For machines with adjustable give, artists can turn a knob or adjust a slider to change the needle's resistance. This allows them to switch between a softer touch for shading and a firmer one for lining. Some machines have a fixed give set by the manufacturer. These are generally tuned to a versatile setting, suitable for a wide range of tasks. Understanding the right amount of give for different skin types and techniques comes with experience. Artists will often experiment with different settings to find what works best for them. Delicate work might require a machine with more give for subtlety, while bold graphic lines might need less give for precision. Some artists prefer a solid hit with minimal give for maximum control, while others prefer a softer approach. It often comes down to personal technique